Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for FabFitFun. Look at this box. Isn't it cool? Looks like an apartment building. I know, it's probably... No, it's not upside down. Okay. If you're not familiar with what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly lifestyle box. You get all kinds of different things in here. You get stuff for the home, bathroom, makeup, some accessories, jewelry, things like that, and sometimes they have some nice clothing available. Now, the box runs $55 each quarter, so it's like every 4 months, or is it every 3? Anyway, the box comes every quarter. Now, if you prepay for the whole year, which is $199, then the box only costs $45 instead of $55. So let's go ahead and see what's inside for December or winter. When you open it up, FabFitFun, little wintry snow and stars. That's what it looks like. Now, right on top, they have the FabFitFun magazine that gives you recipes, information about products, how to use them, and also there's a calendar of events in here, meaning that before the box ships, it'll say that you have a chance to add on, do your refills, things like that. So... And then we have 18 free meals of HelloFresh.com. If you would like to take advantage of it, I'm used to my phone. I'm doing something a little different this time. I'm using a different camera because I noticed that the other videos I've been making recently, I'm just so bright and it just seems like I'm a little overexposed. Now, the 18 free meals, that goes over a course of time. So you do have to commit to a few boxes each month to get that advantage. Packing paper. And then that's what it looks like inside. Let me tell you, getting all these products for just $55 is so worth it. So first, let's go over my add-ons. So what I chose for $7 is this Truly Clear One-Step Acne Solution Bar. It is fast-acting. It is for face and body. Excuse me. I'm trying to make a video. It's 98% natural. It has salicylic acid in it, only 1%, so it's very mild. So it's not going to totally dry out your face. This is something good to have in the shower or just right next to your sink. And we're going to give it a try. So it says it cleanses oily skin. It will not overdry, clear blackheads, prevent whiteheads, eliminates blemishes. It helps cystic acne, teenage acne, hormonal acne, back acne, and body acne. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now, I got this for $7. That's what it looks like. Feels like soap. Oh, it has a... Is that eucalyptus? What is that? It's peppermint oil. Okay, so it's going to feel very cooling on your face at the same time when you use that. So I got that for $7. Now, the next thing I got was a body wash. No? Ah, okay. It's these. these are blue blocker glasses. Now, I need the glasses I wear in order to see, so these won't work out well for me. But they will for a certain somebody on my Christmas list. And it has, oh, it has a nice canvas. It has a nice canvas carrying case. This is by Summer and Rose, and I got these for $6.99. They're UVA, and UVB protected. Oh, it comes with a little shine cloth, cleaning cloth. Ooh, look at those. These look kind of, let me see. They're like a brownish blue. Now, I won't be able to see once I take these, but just to give you an idea of what they look like. So, yeah, I thought that was a good price for these, and I have one less thing to buy for Christmas. Okay, now we're going to get to the box. Now, quarterly members get to choose 4 of the 6 categories. Annual members get to choose all 6 categories. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So the first thing is by Aloe Glow System. This is a Mega C body wash. It has amla, aloe, and marula oil that hydrates, softens, and replenishes. This values at $24. It has a seal on it, so let's go ahead and take a peek inside. Wow, it's huge. It's 200 ml. Look at that. I bet it has a seal on it. So this is a body wash. Let's see if there is a seal on it. I will not open it. Next, it's by Coach. These are the Coach Signature C Stud Earring Set, a value of $95. Nice little bag. And we've got, don't know what that is. Wear it, love it, pass it on. Don't know what that is. Ooh. I have some studs and some little Coach C's. Look at those. They're stud earrings. Aren't those pretty? That's the kind of sparkle I like. Yeah, those are nice. I don't know if they're worth $95. I think it's because of the name. But they are very pretty, and I couldn't pass them up. And then, let's do this. By Fig One, we have the Glycolic Glow Treatment. It has 4% glycolic acid, PHAs, glycerin, squalane, and hyaluronic acid. That's what that looks like. And this retails for $34. It says this milky treatment gently exfoliates to reveal happy and glowing skin. Why it works? Because 4% glycolic acid and PHAs gently exfoliate away the dead skin that dulls your complexion, while ultra-hydrating squalane helps to restore essential moisture. The result is smoother, softer, more even-looking skin. Now, there is a sunburn alert on here. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, an AHA, that may increase skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. So they always say when you're using these kind of products to definitely use sunscreen. Ooh, okay. It's a pretty neat little box. It's a triangle. And then here we have our product. Yeah. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have it in a little pump. Oh, there it is. So yeah, it does look milky. Oh, what is that? I think it's just a product smell. It's not necessarily a scent that was added. It just smells like product, which I appreciate. I don't need scent of anything on my face. So got that. Next, what is this little thing? I don't believe I ordered this. I think this must be an extra little thing. Reusable makeup swabs. Yeah, I did not buy those. This is by Aria Beauty. 2 swabs and a carrying case. Oh, Boo's excited. Let's take a look. That's probably would be good for traveling, to clean up, you know, little messes. Let's see, how do we get into this? Does it just, oh, okay, it just, so this kind of retracts on its own. And these are, Becca Boo, I am trying to make a video. And the swab, it has a silicone end on it, which means that these are 100% washable and reusable. Now there's 2 of them, one with a pointy side and one with a round side. Okay, that's unusual. Just snaps right back into place. Okay, what else have we got? We have a palette. Now this is by Ace Beauté and the Aria bundle. Oh, this, whoops. This is a bundle, so they go together. And the bundle values to $45. And we have this nice big palette, Serenity eyeshadow palette. Pretty cover, isn't it? All right. And it looks the same. Oh, that's different, that it's just plain. So let's take a look at that. What does it say? Serenity. Ooh. It has a mirror. Oh, these are really nice colors. Now, it's not showing up as vibrant on camera, but they're very pretty. I don't think I'm going to swatch them. Like this one here is rather dark. You get the idea. They're very pretty. There's 2 shimmers and the rest are mattes. I like palettes like this. And what did I say this for? Oh, it was $45 for the bundle. I might give this to someone for Christmas. I'm not sure. And then this is by Chic and Tonic Snowflake Mug, a value of $18. Get that out of there. Wow, look at the packaging. It should definitely not come broken. Oh, I love it. Look at how pretty that is. It's a nice big mug for hot chocolate, soups. Very nice. Chic and tonic. Chic and tonic. I like it. I like it a lot. And then the last thing in my box is the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs set of 2. Now, whoever packed my box should have noticed that I chose these and that I don't need another one. I mean, the person that packed my box should have noticed that I chose these mugs, and they should have put something other than a mug in here, because I didn't pick 2 sets of mugs. So it has the little styrofoam in there. Let's see if I can, oh, one is stuck on here. Ooh. These are really nice and big mugs too. Look how pretty. So pretty. It has the Lily Pulitzer little design in there. Wow, these are nice. And there is 2 of them in here. Let's see, are they the same? Oh, well, they're traveling well, that's for sure. Yes, they are the same. 2 matching little mugs. They're very cute. I like those a lot. So, yeah, we got the mugs, the earrings, the glycolic glow treatment, the Ace Beauté and Aria bundle. We have an extra mug, and we have body wash. And then my add-ons was the clear blemish bar and the blue blocker glasses. So I am really, really happy with my box. I have gifts for people at a discounted rate. Now, one thing about FabFitFun is you do get to set a profile. You have 24-hour access to their shop. You can shop anytime. I am still making my video. This is Boo. Come here, Boo. Come here, Boobala. This is my Boo-Boo. She's 10 years old. She's a Chihuahua mix, and she is a good little girl. Aren't you, baby? Yeah. Well, that's all I have for you for FabFitFun today. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon. Bye.